And on to the next category, which is Facilities Management Firm of the Year. And I'd like to invite Agnieszka from AMMC, Agnieszka Sławomirska. Please come up and help us hand out this award.
And this is the shortlist in this category. Apleona, HSG, General Property, Innovative Facility Management, Loretta Ress, Sodexo, and SPIE Polska.
So Agnieszka, thank you for helping us hand out this award and doing such a great conference today as well. Yep, this way, yep.
It works? Works, yes. Thank you very much, Craig. And yes, indeed, it was, I think, a great conference. Looking forward to just next ones, and hope to see you soon during my next events. So
and
now,
next one I think is PropTech, right?
Yes. Oh, come on! You told it. You just told it.
You
okay.
can tell the rest.
Okay, so we with Craig are planning to do something very new on the market. I know that PropTech is nothing new to you probably, also not new to us, but I think we will do a very special event after the holiday season. So we will be in touch with you, and I hope we will meet after holiday, and you will join and enjoy the new event on the Polish market.
Okay, great.
So now, thank you very much, and can I?
Of course,
Say
for that.
who is the winner? Okay. So the winner is, of course, the best facility management firm, Apleona.
Of course. You know, I was worried when I was coming over here because of the storm already was starting. But it is indeed a very nice evening. Actually, it started to get nice. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and congratulations.
Thank you. Congratulations.